Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be demoing a 500-gram cake from Doremi Fireworks. This one is a 40-shot cake called Polar Vortex. Check out the artwork. It's pretty much the same on all sides. And the performance. You guys can pause that or check the video description. All that information will be there. All right, let's peek underneath the hood. We got 5 shots across, 8 shots back for a total of 40 shots. I'm excited to see what this one does and how it performs. We got this over there at Big D's in Hawley, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. If you guys like this cake, make sure to drop a like on the video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys.